I'm at this four-sided brick ranch home in Newton County, about 40 minutes outside of Atlanta. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,200 square feet, and so many of the things that you guys are wanting in a home. I'm really excited for you to see it, especially the primary suite. Come on in and let's tour this home. As soon as we come through these double doors, the first thing I notice are these archways. Absolutely adding a lot of character. I love me some archways, y'all. And you can't miss this modern light fixture either. So I'm coming right into the dining room. Really good size, but most importantly, good light pouring into this space with the vaulted ceilings. It's really gorgeous in here. You can really do some good entertaining in this dining room. So you come right into the kitchen. Really good sized kitchen with the wraparound bar seating, gorgeous granite countertops, and gray cabinetry. And there are plenty of cabinets in here. Now we're gonna come through this way. I'm gonna show y'all the primary suite first. Before we get in there though, the garage is through this door. And then right in here, we have the laundry room. You have a sink and some storage. So real convenient there. So I come into the primary suite. Tray ceilings, recessed light in the whole 9. Lots of light through here and plenty of space. Now this is why I said y'all are gonna like the primary suite, because there is a whole room off of the primary suite. So it just gives you so much versatility and options. I could see this being an office, a sitting area, a reading nook. It just really boosts this room up for me. And then we come through this barn door and you have 2 closets here, 1 and 1. And then the elephant in the room is this wet room with your standalone tub and huge shower. Absolutely gorgeous. It's like a spa in here. You will not want to leave. And then you have your double vanity right here. So we're gonna come on out of this primary. You don't want to, but we're going to, so we can see the rest of the house. And you come back through the kitchen into your informal eating area. So you can put a nice table here for your informal dining and use your dining room for your formal dining. So right off of this room, we have the big open living area. Tons of space in this room. I can't even begin to imagine how you would set it up, but I know you'll come up with something. And the focal point is this modern fireplace. Now right through these doors, you have your covered patio. It's a very large covered patio overlooking your just shy of an acre yard that is fully fenced in. Already, you don't even have to worry about doing that. So now let's see bedroom number 2. Got some good light in here. Spacious room. And we come right to this Jack and Jill bathroom. You have vanity number 1 right here. And then you have your toilet and shower right here separated. And then you also have vanity number 2 before we come into bedroom number 3. Come on, let's come back into the hallway. And we're gonna see bathroom number 3. And this has a double vanity. And then you have the separation with your shower and toilet. And you also have access to this bathroom with bedroom number 4. This home is near shopping, dining, and grocery and all the conveniences that you need. Also convenient to I-20. If you're interested in this home, give me a call and we can work out an amazing deal for you. I'll see you at the next home.